Abameli baka-Angelo Agrizzi bathi bajabule njengoba ekwazile ukuthola ibheyili kwazise inkantolo yemantshi yasePalm Ridge yamenqabela ibheyili.
So we'll take the stamped court order that was just handed down by the High Court in Johannesburg to the prison authorities. They'll confirm it and they'll call the guards back and he'll be released on bail and unshackled from the bed.
Phakathi kwemibandela yale bheyili ngokulethwa kwetayitela lesithabathaba somuzi kanokusho ka-Agrizzi ose-Italy.
Our main contention as the investigating directorate was his failure to disclose. We have no issues with him having foreign assets as well as taking money across off South Africa. But our main contention was the fact that he did not disclose this, because then makes the court be able to weigh up the various decisions about whether to grant a person bail and what exactly the bail amount should be.
Isithabathaba somuzi ka-Agrizzi e-Italy singabiza izigidi eziyishumi zamarandi kanti njengamanje sibi isimo sika-Agrizzi esibhedlela.